Welcome to How to Earn Money Chatting with Strangers tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money through Texting Factory. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So in this website, you can work from anywhere as a chat operator. You will work on one of their platforms and answer messages from real people with real desires and a great need for meaningful communication. So the requirements that you need is to be fluent in English, and they will test your English skills. You must be over 18 years old, and they will ask you to prove that with your ID. You must have your own equipment to work, like a PC or a laptop, and you will need a stable internet connection. So they will offer you work from home or on the go, and you can earn money for every message you send. Also, you will be paid weekly. And as you see, in 4 to 10 hours a day, 5 days a week, you can earn from $400 to $500 a week. And you can earn more if you're consistent. So, how you can apply for this job? You can go to Chat Operator Job, and then here go to Application Form. Here you will write your first name, last name, email, and the country, and then you will check the agree boxes and then click on apply. They will handle your application within 24 hours. Then after that you'll be tested and will be asked for your ID, and they may ask you for other stuff too. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.